Good morning, dear students. Today's topic is related with decimal. Product of decimal. It is today's topic, how we can multiply in the decimal numbers. I have selected two questions. One is this 17.8 multiply with 1.567. Second is 2.6 multiply with 13 into 1.3. In these two questions, you see this question had two numbers and both numbers are in decimal. And in this question there are three numbers and this number has no decimal. Now we are going to start how? First, you have to multiply the both numbers without decimal. First, you have to multiply the both numbers without decimal. Write down here solution. Solution 178 multiply by 1567. 178 1567 1567. Now multiply it. 7 8 ja 56, 7 7 ja 49, 49 or 5 we add 54, 54, 5 7 1 ja 7 or 5 12. Now again 6 8 ja 48, 6 7 ja 42 or 4 46, 6 1 ja 6 or 4 carry 6 or 4 10. Now table of 5, 5 8 ja 40, 5 7 ja 35, 35 and 4 39, 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 8. Now multiply with 1, 1 8 ja 1 7 ja 1 1 ja. Now add 6 4 8 12, 1 carry 6 2 8, 1 9, 9 1 10, 10 8 18, 7 8 15, 1 16, 1 carry 17, 1 1 2. Without decimal I have multiplied and this number. Now write here 178 into 1567 equal to 278 926 926. Now after this you write the answer. Therefore, hence 17.8 into 1.567 equal to, write this number 278 926. Now count how many numbers are there after decimal. How many numbers are there after decimal? Here in the given question you see after decimal there are 3 places and after decimal here 1 places. So both number of places you have to add 3 and 1 4. So in the result you have to put decimal before 4 place. First place, second place, third place and fourth place you put here. This is your required answer. Now next question. We are going to solve next problem. Same way you have to multiply You have to multiply without decimal. 26 into 13. 3 6 are 18. 3 2 are 6. 1 7. 1 6 are 6. 1 2 are 2. Add 8. 7 6 13. 1 3. Again next number is 1.3. So write 13. Multiply it. 3 8 is 14. 24. 3 8 is 24. 3 3 is 9. 2 11. 3 3 is 9. 1 10. 1 8 is 8. 1 3 is 3. 1 3 is 3. Now add 4 9 3 and 4. Now after this you have to write here 26 into 13 equal to 4394. 4394. Now hence 2.6 into 13 into 1.3. 1.3. What will be the result? So right here, what is the product? Product is 4394. Now where you have to put decimal? Now after decimal there is one place, and here there again one place. So both two place. One place here, one place here. So you add the both place, two place. You have to put the decimal from the right side. Count two place. First place, second place, and then put it. Any problem? Now, by the help of these two problems and with practice, you can do problems related to multiply easily. Dear students, thank you for today's class.